Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Now if you remember last time we were checking and refitting the headlamp adjusters, we found that the side lights fitting was starting to break up and decay. So what we've done today, we've ordered some new parts. Might as well do them both together. These are the new side lights holders for the bulbs. Now to take these off, these are the new hard plastic ones. To take these off, you have to get underneath your main headlight fittings there, and this in fact is quite loose, is that broken. Now you can see there's a clip, a black clip at the back with two metal holders on, so press those in and pull that away, and that's the old one, and you can see how badly corroded and brittle the plastic is, and the bulb's just holding in there. So if you can see the new one, this is a good nice hard plastic, and this is the old brittle plastic, and on the top there's a little lug which corresponds to a hole in the back of the headlight, so that pushes in there and twists slightly to hold it, to stop it coming out. So let's get that new bulb in there. Push and twist, so that's nice and secure. Okay, now again, that little lug there corresponds to a hole in the underside of the back of your headlamp. You can just feel that there with your fingers. So what we need to do is get your clip again, make sure it all lines up. It'll only go one way on, and you hear that clicking. Now as you push it back in there, you can just feel there's the little hole for that lug. So we just gently put it in and twist it on. Make sure we get the right side up. And so you have to come in it almost underneath it really, and the hole is there. If you just tease it round once you've got it through, and that's it, it locks in, and that's not coming out now. So it goes in with that lug there, pushes in at almost a 45-degree angle underneath the light, and once it's in you can turn it, and that holds it in and prevents it coming out the back there. So as always, once you've done it, make sure you check your lights, check your bulbs. You should check your bulbs and lights regularly anyway. Right, let's turn this side light on. Okay, that's working, and the main beam. Yep, nice and bright that. So now we know they're both working and road legal. Any issues? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club, and we'll leave a link for these parts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.